a bit about your project?
So what I've done is a food allergy scanning application. So at the moment I have just the prototype design. So it will scan for food allergies. So this is the information carousel, which tells them what functions is available in the app. The user can add their own allergens to show specifically if they're allergic to peanuts, they can add that and it will show here, so that when they scan an item, it will.
So it's recognize the image, right?
It's actually for barcode scanning.
Barcode.
So I have a little prototype here that I've done in Android Studio. So I'm just going to turn the camera on here.
Okay.
So scan item. I'll show you what it is. The picture contains allergens and also traces of, because some people have sensitivity.
Yeah. Good. Wow, that is good. So, to run, you have a lot of information like data. Right? You need to import a lot of data to recognize it.
Yep. So this one actually uses the Open Food Facts API. So it queries that to get the information from the barcode for the item name, with images, allergens. That API also has a lot of other information as well, such as whether the food is vegan safe or the type of packaging it is. So we can also use that data in the future if we want to include that sort of functionality.
Do you use another database for that, or like you create your own database?
So we're not using our own database because it's quite like memory intensive, I suppose. So using a already available API that already has a wider range of food items as well will make it easier to return a result for the user as well.
So maybe you can scan anything, right?
Yeah.
Can you scan this one?
Yeah, you can try that one. I haven't tried this one, so we'll see if it works. But you can always try.
Yeah, this one's the barcode.
Yep. So, let me see. The orientation, right? Because it's sideways. This one's a bit tricky. Yeah, I think because the numbers might be clear. It's not recognizing. But you can try, these ones definitely work.
Yeah, it's clear. It should be clear. Okay, that's fine. Do you have any food?
This one is interesting because this is for a if there's no results in the database, then it will come up with an error. No results found. Please refer to the item packaging, because it may not necessarily mean that it doesn't have allergens. So it's for the user to check themselves.
Good. That's good. So what code are you doing? Like what language are you writing?
So this is in Java, in Android Studio, because
mobile, right?
Yeah, for mobile. Because I only found out about the CodeFair very late, so I only did this over the weekend.
Really good.
Yeah.
It's impressive.
Thank you. Ideally, for my final project, I'd like it to be compatible across a wider range of devices. So I was thinking of maybe using Node.js and React for the final project.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. So you are studying
Bachelor of IT.
IT. It's good. It's already bachelor. It's like more than the master.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm Limini. This is the first time I come here to present my project. I'm very happy, also Charles Union, also very good idea for my project. Actually, my project is an IoT project use network things. and to control our IoT devices. Actually, this one for smart home. Traditionally, lots of things just use like timer, like a sensor. For example, light. So just use a sensor to control this one. If someone coming, it's turn off. If someone go out, it's sometimes it's turn off. Now we use technology like network to remote control. Like if you're in another country, you can use a mobile phone, pad, everything. Internet. If you got internet, you can control your home. For example, if someone just like Steve come to your house, this sensor, special sensor like something got in our address. So if someone coming, trigger the sensor. This sensor automatically will trigger the door is locked. Trigger the inside the light is on. For smart home light install the window locked out as well. So everything is locked and make everything safe the driveway. Maybe we can add some like the police. Another thing is like water sprinkler. My project use network to control the water sprinkler, not like I use timer. This one use the water level monitor. If water level less than like you can control like 30 or 20 centimeters. If less than this one, this water sprinkler will automatically turn on. Will water your lawn automatically. If the water like a traditional one, the wet season, there is still raining water, the water sprinkler is still on because they use timer. But use this one, this sensor monitor, this can solve this problem. Of course, this customized if you want to do another some new IoT devices you can buy and to your home, so automatically you can remote control. This actually is my project. Thank you for
Thank you so much, Lumendo. Having problem with my lungs after that COVID, so I'm just trying to minimize that thing. So I would like to thank you, all the students and all the ambassadors and alumni and industry that is coming here all together today. This shows really good community, united spirit of IT students. Okay, so I would just say, like, clap to yourself. You are really great. Apart from Alicia, which really well done, for all other projects, I think you have the paper that you got the specific feedback from the judge as well about point to improve. This is something very valuable for you to take that into considerations if you can make some adjustment. Again, we could maybe try to work smart. So let's say if this fits into any unit, you can maybe negotiate to your lecturers and say, look, I got this project with me. I tend to tweak it to make it better. Maybe you might, let's say you're in software development, and then you can take that on into your master thesis. That's totally okay too. And I'm very sure that lecturers will be supporting you on that. And that means you have a great start because you've got something, the idea already. You just have to do maybe some literature review and then that testing and implementation of that system. So don't worry. I would say that at the end of the year, this year will, in November 3rd, I believe November 3rd, that should be on Earth Day, so a bit of a way to go. So in that time, I would like you to prepare in advance. We've got coding competition, we've got research competition, and so for coding competition, we've got so many types of awards. So we've got sort of like something that is coding innovation challenge, something that you are like doing a breakthrough. not in terms of technology itself, but also in terms of using technology to solve everyday problem. I've already seen you do that. Like while working on your project description this morning, I've seen like you looking at the way to top up balance on the bus system. You're looking at how you can sell products for Aboriginal community. You are looking at e-commerce website. You're looking at how we analyze electricity. So that is all good start to begin with. We've got this coding innovation and coding user experience award. Okay, so user experience award, what do we look for? The application not only is innovative, but it's easy to use. So that's another category. And then for ladies, we've got special award, we've got women and IT. Okay, so that go across all different like coding, business innovation, data science challenge. We also got outstanding female team award. So that's a special exclusive for ladies. I'm sorry, gentlemen. So these are two awards that is especially devoted to ladies. Okay, and then we also have so many other type of things. When you are in first year, you will be competing with other first year students. So it's not intimidating at all. It's not like you're in first year, hey, I have to compete with third year. So we've got developing level where you compete with each other. We've got capable level where you're in year 2 or you're in master program. And then year 3 where you are, we call you a proficient coder because you've done that for the third year. So that would be, you'll be competing against those. So we have winner, we have runner up for each categories and special awards like innovation, user experience, environmental application. I think that then the ladies awards and yes, and then we have other challenges for you to compete in. So plan that carefully, see what you can do to tweak it. You don't have to join everything because if you join everything, you might have a problem because Monday there's something happening, Tuesday there's another thing happening, and Tuesday afternoon you've got something happening. So, I mean, maybe I would just say aiming for 2 projects. That's what you want to aim for. Okay, thank you very much for joining us and thank you very much for the ambassadors and I will see you on the 5th floor for networking. Okay, so come to first. Thank you.
Thank you so much.